The first resource we will be going over today are online web libraries. Such online sources such as Ebsco, which is located online, are a great way to have students find peer-reviewed online literature which connects with the learning and expands on ideas. To access Ebsco, you just have to talk to your librarian and make sure your school already has permissions set up. Otherwise, it's as simple as getting to Google. And it opens and expands student knowledge, and it provides students with resources for papers, experiments, projects, and more. This is seriously one of the simplest, easiest, and most engaging ways to expand the student knowledge because it pulls articles from around the world, which connect directly to your lesson. Students who understand and who have access to such an online source not only will be able to research and delve further into their lessons, but it also provides a way to augment and redefine the way we look and find information. The next online resource I'm going to point out or point you towards, and I'm sure you've already heard of it before, is Kahoot. Kahoot is an online and fun and interactive way to take quizzes, check for understandings, and to provide your students with an online review tool. To start using Kahoot, log into their website and sign up for a free account, and then you're on your way. This online system creates a great way to substitute in-person quizzes and augment the way we take and review within the classroom. Not only does it integrate technology within the classroom, it also allows your students to access the quiz materials from home. It's engaging because it's fun, and it connects to a positive game system we already know and love, such as Jeopardy or The Price is Right. The system allows students to be more engaged and feel connected in a fun way to quizzes and questions while providing them with minimal anxiety, as no one wants to be called on to talk. The very last online resource that I want to showcase, and I'm sure you've already heard of it, is Google Suite. Most of us already use Google in our daily lives. However, did you know you can have students collaborate on papers digitally? You can also provide real-time assessments, responses to questions, and feedback, all virtually while following up with them in class. Not only that, but students lose their papers. They can't do that online because once it's submitted, it can be saved within the classroom forever. This helps to keep students engaged, organized, and it helps promote technology within the classroom as a substitution, but also as a redefinition of the old way of putting everything to paper. Google not only allows every teacher to be able to read a student's handwriting, but it provides students with a way to take better notes, gather feedback on the material they submitted.